According to the American Psychological Association's 2020 Stress in America survey, quote, "We are facing a national mental health crisis that could yield serious health and social consequences for years to come." The APA reports that COVID-19 has been a significant stressor, and Gen Z adults aged 18 through 23 reported the highest stress levels compared to other generations. In order to improve mental well-being and spread joy throughout my household, I developed an IoT device that broadcasts encouraging audios focused on mental and physical health when it detects human presence in the kitchen. The system consists of an ultrasonic sensor and a noise sensor. The ultrasonic sensor measures distance between 2 centimeters and 4 meters and is connected to the Raspberry Pi's general-purpose input-output pins. The system's actuator is a speaker connected to the Raspberry Pi's audio output through Bluetooth. On the software side, I'm running Python 3 on the Raspberry Pi. The software is broken up into several stages. For the initialization stage, first thing I do is import the necessary modules and set up the sensors. Then, I define constants, such as the time between measurements, the total number of measurements, and the measurement thresholds that indicate when the program should play an audio. Finally, the program records the current time and plays a designated audio so I can ensure the speaker is connected properly. Next, we enter the while loop. During every loop, I record the current time in order to understand the time of day. Next, I measure the distance using the ultrasonic sensor and the noise level using the noise sensor. If the measured distance is below its defined threshold, or the noise level is above its defined threshold, then we enter the decision-making process. First, the software ensures that it isn't between 10 p.m. and 8 a.m. Those are quiet hours. At the same time, the program is ensuring that at least 3 minutes have passed since an audio was played. If both of these conditions are met, the program will play one of 20 audios based on the time of day. Finally, all measurements are uploaded to a Google Sheet on the cloud, and the whole process begins again. Let's watch an example of the system in action.
Don't forget to enjoy the outdoors. Are you feeling sore or sick? Why not stretch for a few minutes?
Now we'll look at the data that we collected and stored on the cloud. 750 measurements were recorded between the hours of 9 a.m. and 10 p.m. The threshold for noise level was 60 decibels. As we can see, the noise level fluctuates throughout the day. The kitchen is louder than average during lunchtime and then decreases in the afternoon. Then it progressively rises throughout the evening. The distance threshold was 150 centimeters. When no one was in the kitchen, the sensor continuously measured the distance from it to the nearest wall. The overall system has 18 parts and has an estimated cost of about $95. In order to understand the value of this system, I interviewed a few customers.
At what dollar amount would you value the joy that this device provides to you on a daily basis?
Like the cost per day?
Yeah.
$1 per day.
I'll go with $6.
Like every day I pay a certain amount?
Yep.
$7.
On a daily basis, I'd say this provides me like $500 worth of joy.
With a median value of $6.50 per day for the health-based IoT device and a cost of $94.55, the break-even point is about 2 weeks. Thanks for watching.